bags are packed. It's early in the morning, it's around 6 o'clock. We're all ready, and the sun is coming up and looking beautiful. Ready? It's time to go. Eventually, at some point. Here we go. Party bus is ready. Now this is where I had quite a problem. I lost all my footage because, and then later on I was like, I'll just film all my stuff on my phone. Interesting story, that one. That got taken. We got stopped by the police. I left it in the car accidentally. Been told never leave any valuables in the car when you get stopped by the police. And as they were searching us outside of the car, they took my phone, and we didn't realise until we got where we were going, and I couldn't find my phone. So luckily, thank you to Nathan and Tom, they've sent me some of their footage, so hopefully I'll be able to show you some stuff of what it was like on top of Roraima. It was stunning, it was amazing, it was quite rainy, it is rainy season, but still amazing, and it was such a great experience.
Bad shoulders, bad ankle. It's supposed to be the one that's fine. Adrian? Lights. Ready. Hello. Tony is wearing jeans. Look at this, here we are. That's where we're going. So we're an hour or two into our first day. I'm obviously at the front. I've got half the weight that the other boys have got. Double the amount of sweat. Our porter with all of our stuff, all of our food, we haven't seen for ages. Again, see, I've got a banana and we've got a couple of packs of biscuits, so we'll be okay. Ooh. Oh. Day 2, and we smashed it really fast. Didn't mean to, just smashed it, and we're in base camp. Here it is. Roraima and Kukuna. 7 tapois. They're here in Roraima National Park.
A sad day today. I've done it again. I've lost another GoPro. I dropped it down a crack in a cave.
over here. But this is what you could see. This is why. A beautiful swimming pool. It was very nice.
The window. Right, making our way back down. When we did come up, we had a spectacular view. Just imagine, just try and think in your head, it's okay today. The clouds keeping us cool. Very humid day. Right, hard part done. Climbing down. Now we're just in the hot, hot, hot land. Right, made it back. 6 days done, complete trek over. So we went a bit crazy. This is our nice hotel room for the night. In Brazil. We thought we'd pop across the border. We were a little bit late. And then we decided, hey, why not? Let's just stay in Brazil for a night. Here we are at the border between Venezuela and Brazil. Outside the road, just exchanging some dollars for food. Just exchanging some dollars.
10, 20, 30. Incredible. These notes are very rare, by the way.
Obrigado. Got ourselves a full tank and we're good to go. Come on, boys.
Full tank of petrol. Brazil done.
We've got 450k of fun to all of us. We have to do anything.
Now we need to get on the journey. Right, here we go. Change the driver for a little while. We're now in A.D.Bolivar. Right, arrived at our next destination, El Tigre. It's a really nice hotel actually, really nice, but possibly there is only us three staying here. Oh man,
going out and spending a lot of time out and getting back late, and then trying to get up early to drive to a place where we've not made it. We sort of had the wrong destination. So we've managed to randomly book a hotel. It's a bit weird, it's a bit dingy. Nave's just finding random stuff. I like the bed setup as well. You got one single and another single in an L, and then through there you've got a nice double. I don't have the energy to even consider standing up and showing. Yeah, the remote controls are all on the cord, just in case someone wants to know.
So that was it, last day done, travelled all the way back, saw some things on the way, didn't really show very much unfortunately, because like I say I lost my GoPro and my phone, but we made it, and after getting lost, having police telling us we couldn't go down a certain road, having to drive along some terrible roads, we made it back, and actually didn't take any photos of us getting back. I think we were just so tired. Had a beer and went to bed. We were so knackered. And then that was it. Journey, adventure, trip, done. Now, as you can see, we're at a nice hotel. I'm currently on my vacations in Colombia, and I'll be making some videos very shortly showing you about my trips and adventures here. So hope you enjoy those when I get them done.